But Airbnb just made sense.
Mm-hmm.
And especially the opportunity to do it without owning property. Because I know if I just really just kind of got this information just dialed in, I can get a property in a pretty fast period. So I ended up pretty much looking for my first property, right, and doing it through rental arbitrage. So for those that don't know what rental arbitrage is, it's the ability of getting a property that's more so designed for a long term lease. We lease the property out with the intention on utilizing it for business. And then, of course, we furnish it, make it look nice and comfortable. We can
Mm-hmm.
list on sites like Airbnb, VRBO, and so on and so forth. So at that point, I had to really understand, okay, now I got to look for a landlord or property manager that's in alignment with what it is I'm looking to do, right? And I finally found a property, and it was just on from there. I had to furnish it, I had to make it look nice. And when I tell you, when I look back at that property, it was so basic, because I didn't have any idea when it came to like decor or like any of that flashy stuff. It was just like, okay, got a property, got to put furniture in. That was really it. But the interesting was, I actually was that guy. I used to clean my own Airbnbs.